Alright, ICT traders, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest way to trade ICT concepts with these free ICT indicators on tradingview.com. Let's get into the video. But before then, if you're new to the channel, you're welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, you're welcome back. What we are doing in this YouTube channel is to actually have a sequential arrangement of all the ICT knowledge you need to become a professional trader using ICT concepts. And then this particular YouTube channel is dedicated for ICT beginners. You're going to find a lot of valuable content right here under the playlist. We arranged it in such a way that anyone that comes around can learn in detail the ICT core beginners, and then intermediate, then advanced. So let's get back to the video and then have this simple tutorial. So once you come to tradingview.com, you're going to get these two indicators right here. The first one is market structure fractals by Lux Algo, and then fair value gaps by Lux Algo. Let me take them out completely so I can get them back on my chart so you can see everything in detail. So coming to indicators right here, let me search for market structure, right? Fractal market structure. Let me just get it completely. Fractal. Don't forget, please follow everything. It is by Lux Algo. Click on it, and then you're going to get it plotted right like this. So the beauty of this particular indicator is mostly important for those of you who are just starting out with ICT concept. Market structure is the backbone of everything about ICT, and then this will give you a head start to be able to delineate where there is a valid break of structure, where there is a valid shift in market structure, which is one of the key factors for determining order flow. Market structure is king. As you can see right here, break of structure. This chart, as you can see right here, is change of character, also known as market structure shift. So that is basically what it means, market structure shift, and that is when price has completely changed direction from moving in a particular direction. And then the second indicator is almost something you know, it's called fair value gap by the same creator called Lux Algo. This particular indicator, click on it, and then you are up and running. So the beauty of this is that you're going to identify your trend. Then I will recommend that you trade with this indicator in the 1 hour time frame strictly, because that will give you the true picture of the order flow. When you go lower than 1 hour time frame, you get a noisy chart, and then you will not be able to get every detail you're supposed to get without the noise. So having this, you'll be able to look at your chart and see where price is going to. As you can see right here, we are having a downtrend. That is the order flow. So very easy, straightforward. And you can see right here, let me show you this. For example, we have price coming like this, having this price action in this sequence right here. We have a break of structure, as we can see, identified by our indicator, giving us break of structure right here, price filling up this particular fair value gap right here. And then when you have a very big fair value gap, how do you take trade from a very big fair value gap? The consequent encroachment, which is the 50% level of that particular fair value gap, all right? Right here to this level, and then the middle. Notice how price came back to the middle of this very big fair value gap, and then it continued downward, breaking structure right here. Indicator has done everything for you. Another break of structure. You don't need to struggle to identify break of structure. But the beauty of this is that you want to use every knowledge that you've learned from ICT very, very well. So look at this price coming down, having this break of structure, picking your fib level. Do not enter a trade in a fair value gap that is in a discount, especially if you are in a bearish market. And that is the rule. You're not going to be taking trade in any fair value gap in the discount area, rather in the premium, since we have a bearish movement. And this is it. You put your fib level here and then put it right here. All right. Above here is premium, and that is our point of interest. That is where we will look for an opportunity to get into trade. Quite easy and straightforward. All right, so look at this. Price is coming, have this break of structure, And then this indicator has given you a fair value gap, quite easy to see. All right, that is it. Trading in this time frame is less noisy, and you have the best setup for you to be able to get an entry. So don't forget, this is your fair value gap, which price has already delineated for you. As price is coming back, what are you going to do? Picking your entry. I want to enter right here, and my stop loss is obviously above this bearish order block, and I will target the opposing liquidity. This is by far the easiest way to trade. 1:2 risk to reward, as price came back to that area, and quite easy, you are up and running. All right, so that's the beauty of this simple concept. You can see you have taken profit in that manner. Let me show you more example, and then we will see how perfect this indicator is. Another beautiful example is right here. You see price coming, having this sweep of liquidity above here, coming down, and it shifted structure. This is a shift in market structure, as you can see it written as this CHOCH. That is what you needed. And then you have price creating this kind of movement right from here. All right, you have this movement. You can pick either the top of this down to the lowest area. All right, as you can see, price is returning back into where the fair value gap at premium. That is your entry. This is the fair value gap that price has already delineated for you. So it's easy to use this indicator, and my stop loss will be maybe above this gap since it has been filled, and I will target the opposing liquidity. Quite easy and straightforward, especially for those of you who are starting out with ICT concept and you are in the trade. It goes in your direction. Such a perfect way to trade, easy and straightforward for you to see how to get an entry. Look at price coming, breaking structure, changing market structure right here. Let me show you this. Price has shown you that there is a shift in market structure here, leaving a fair value gap, price coming back, and you have an entry in that particular fair value gap. Another one right here. Let me show you these ones. Price, let me use this classical example for you right here. Price has been moving up. It came to this area, pushed up above this level. Even though this only showed you this break of structure, another break of structure here. Probably from my knowledge of ICT concept, you have a fair value gap right here, a very big one. Price coming back, it hit the fair value gap right at this point, and then it kick off to that level, and then it quickly leave this level to that point. Another one right here, price is coming and having a shift in market structure, leaving this, as I've shown you, an entry. Very well, very well. This indicator gives you all the places that matter. We'll be taking my profit around this area and I move to that level. Let's see more examples and see how beautiful this system is. Look at this, very beautiful one. Look at this, shift in market structure, giving you a fair value gap, a perfect one, a perfect one. And then this is your entry. Let me show you. We are going long. Your entry is here. All right, your entry is at that point. I would love to take trade at the tip of my fair value gap, because I feel price will sometimes just touch the tip, and I will target just above this liquidity level. So price actually came to that area, almost 1:2. You can see a lot of places where trade occurred, a shift in market structure, leaving you with a fair value gap, price retesting it, and it push up straight away. Very beautiful way to trade. All right, guys, I think this is the beauty of this indicator. Go ahead and try it, and then look for trade opportunities and take trade with this indicator. Let me know in the comments how many good trades you've gotten with this simple indicator. A lot of you guys have reached out to me concerning an indicator you can use, especially those of you who are new to ICT concept. Try this indicator and let me know if you have been successful with it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in another video.